Buses from all over Ashtabula County made their way to Geneva High School as the Northeast Ohio community hosted the Ohio Supreme Court's oral arguments.
I've watched Law & Order before, and it's definitely nothing like that.
More than 600 students from 8 area high schools saw the justices in action as they heard 3 cases during the 76th edition of the court's off-site program.
It was really cool because it's like the lawyers have to be like snappy on the questions. They have to be right on it, and it was like even a couple times they caught them a little off guard. It took them a couple seconds to collect their thoughts, and I mean, it's pretty scary being up in front of the justices, I would imagine.
After each hearing, students found out what those lawyers were thinking and feeling during a detailed debrief about what they witnessed.
If they didn't do something, is there anything they should do to clear their name?
It's good as asking them questions because they're the ones who have done all the research. So then you ask them questions on, you know, how could this have been prevented?
As informative as it was to see justice play out before them, the highlight for many students was talking to the justices before court was in session, along with learning about how the justices discuss cases.
You vote from the most junior to the most senior.
The teens discovered what led each person to the state's high court.
There's a lot of segments of our society that have suspicion about the courts and lack confidence in the courts. And I want to work on policies that improve upon that.
Holding a position that serves these students and all Ohioans, Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor stressed the value of an open and transparent judiciary.
It's probably one of the most important and sacred things about being a judge is public trust and confidence.
While many of the messages were based more broadly, at least one student was directly impacted by Justice Melody Stewart's distinct path from a college music degree to decades of distinction in the legal profession.
What you ultimately become or do will change over time, and you will find yourself in places where opportunities and doors open and you go, hey, I like that, or I think I'll be good at that.
I've always thought of going into law myself, but I love my cello and I love playing, so thinking of what she did that I can also follow in her footsteps was just great and inspirational.
I'm Chaba Sukost for Court News Ohio.